Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more update. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing letter on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select the text sheet, writing, size the letter, font of letter, adjust the letter, select the texture, go to the gallery, select a color, adjust the color, to back the color, select the stroke, adjust the color, black, select the emboss button, light angle, select the 3D text, select the inner shadow, select the 3D shadow, adjust the letter. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.